it's Liv, and today with Biology in a Box, we are going to be learning about scat. This is Unit 7, Exercise 2A. Tracks are one way to tell that an animal has been present. However, there are also other signs, such as scat. Most of you are probably wondering, what is scat? Well, scat is another term for poop. You're probably also thinking, why would anyone want to study poop? A person that studies poop is called a scatologist, and although it may seem strange and gross, there's a lot of amazing information we can learn from it. While completing this exercise, think about what all we could learn from poop. So you know, the poop we will be working with is clean and safe. It is first dried out and then coated in plastic and then sealed in a container. While completing this exercise, please do not try to open the containers. The purpose of this activity is to match the poop with the pooper. The activity age group is best for kindergarten through 3rd grade. For this activity, you will need the matching sheets. They look like this. You will also need all the scat samples A through H. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. The instructions for this activity are, lay the matching sheets face up. So you're going to want to face them like this. Examine, scat, and match each sample with the picture that it looks like. I'm going to examine the poop on this one, and I'm going to try to match it with the animal that it looks like. So I'm not going to give you the answer, but you're going to continue that process until all of the samples are matched. So earlier, I asked, what else could we learn from scat? By examining the shape, size, texture, contents, location, and the DNA, you can determine an animal species, you can map an area over which the animal roams, identify the foods that's in the animal's diet, determine animal's health, and identify relatives. Hope you have fun with this exercise and have fun being a scatologist. Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up and see you next time on Biology in a Box.